Okay, so let's continue. So at the previous lesson, we stopped at the point where we logged into our source website. Yeah. So I will not repeat all of this part of the project. I suppose you already tested it, and uh, do you have some questions regarding all this login process or not? If yes, just write now in chat. If not, we will continue. Okay, so let's continue. So next step we're gonna do is we need to parse all the links to files that we need from our source website. So first we have to create spreadsheets in our database. So here is the part. Here is the part. This part. Yeah, if you see, this part is not connected to the main project, so you have to create and run it once, only once, manually, and it will be okay. How it's working? So you can create spreadsheets using these actions right here, or you can create spreadsheets in your database manually from your KDSQL. So let's do both. So the first action, add spreadsheet. Just test your connection, put your settings over here, test it. So with connection, everything is okay. And here is the settings, and here is the command that we have to run. You can just copy that and paste to your project and it will work. The only thing you're gonna put your attention is to just the name of the spreadsheet you're gonna create. So you have to create table. If you run this action, our ZennoPoster will create spreadsheet named KinoFilms posting, and our spreadsheet will look like this. So we have two columns and a lot of rows will be over here, and here will be our posts ready to publish. So we just create empty table as for now. So this should be empty. And you can create either using this command or just click on your database, click right button on your mouse, create and spreadsheet, and you can create any spreadsheet you need, just adding the name of the spreadsheet and add columns. Okay, so cancel. I already have all these two spreadsheets, so I don't need to create them. But in your case, you have to create them. So the first spreadsheet is named by your name of website and posting, and next spreadsheet is named parsing. So we're gonna work today with the spreadsheet parsing. This is the data tab. So we're gonna create this spreadsheet with all these links. This is the links to pages with our files. So the page, it's like the page have all the information we need about this file. So there will be on that page like link to the actual file, the movie, for example, or the video. You'll find their title, description, actors, date of creation, tags and any other information you'll need to parse from these links. But first, actually have to find and parse these links to these pages. So we have to create the spreadsheet. Okay, 2 spreadsheets are created, and the next step we're gonna we have to check the number of pages that we have on the source websites. How we can do that? Just scroll down and see here is the pagination, and you have to explore the last page and see here, look here, uh, page number 3, and the URL is changed each time. So you have just explored the last page. You don't need to actually click on this button, you can just change digit over here. And let's test, let it be 900. So as we see, there is still some content on this page. So let's do it 1000. And it's still, as you see, there are some content, some videos here. This is actually like trailers. So let's check 1100. Okay, it's still 1500. Yeah, this is an empty page. So let's check 1300. Yeah, it's close. So 400. Sorry. Let's do the 400. Okay, so it's close to the 400, but it's like not actually, it's quite different content because I don't see the trailers over here. So it's like this page is not ready. So I won't be using like these so far pages, and let it be 1000 page. So as you see here, the trailer. So here is the complete pages, and we do have content here. So we have to parse all the 1000 links, all the 1000 pages, and each page has about 20 trailers. So 1000 pages multiply on 20 trailers on each page. So we're gonna parse about 20,000 links to page, and page looks like this. I'll show you. So sorry, it's all in Russia. It's a lot of advertising here, but anyway, here you see the not. It's also like it's quite different from the regular trailer. So you have to check whether this content is ready or not. Sorry. Yeah. So let's check the trailer. Sorry, it's not the trailers. It's news. Let's check the trailers. Trailers are here. Trailers, yeah, here is the trailers. So anyway, it doesn't matter. You have to check the last page. And the last page, for example, 1000. Sorry, 1000. Okay, so 1000 is empty page, so let it be 900. Sorry, it's all the time. Okay, 900 is not empty, so it's okay. So we can parse from one page, from the first page to 900. And we're gonna parse these links, this link to the trailer. And each trailer looks like this. So we see here the title of the trailer, like year, date of the publishing. Maybe here will be some comments or description or actors and so on. Okay, so we're gonna parse these links, and these links will look like this. Okay, so let's continue. We have to set the variable named page, and we put the value 1. We choose here the set value, and here is the name of the variable named page, and we just set page equals 1. Okay, let's do this. And now we have, this is our first page will be. So let's go to our first page. Okay, we are here on the first page currently. And we have to take the source of this web page here. Source, not the text source, you need source. And active tab, this active tab. And here we put all the result in the variable named HTML. So let's do this action. Okay, let's check our variables. Here is our variable HTML. So we parsed all the HTML code of this web page. Okay, good. And the next action, we'll use this regular expression to get the link. So how can you actually get this link? You have to copy that HTML and find there a link. First, you have to do it manually, and for example, you have to find this title. So what do? We copy all the HTML code from here, open our regular expression creator constructor, paste this HTML code over here, yeah. And next we have to copy, for example, a title of the video, and Control F, try to find this text over here, and we need a link. This is the link to our trailer named Star Trek. Okay. So we have to create regular expression to find these links, not just to this exact trailer, but to any other trailer on this page. So we have to tell that ZennoPoster should find before this text, yeah, and right after the link goes, sorry, this text. Okay, let's copy that, let's paste, and let's test. Yeah, and we found all the links on our page. Yeah, you have to check it. So there are 20 of links, and we actually do have, I already checked that. So on this page we actually we have 20 trailers. So we parsed all the links. So this regular expression is working. But here in your template, in your project, there is some less like complicated regular expression. So it's anyway, you can create any regular expression that will be working. So I can either use this long regular expression. Sorry, I mean this one. this long regular expression, or you can create like less complicated. It doesn't matter. The main thing, it should work. Okay, so let's execute. And this, what do the regular expression also, what it does? Now it puts all the result in the list parsing. So we take the variable HTML, we get from there, using that regular expression, some link, and we put in the list named parsing. The list you can create by clicking over here, right button of the mouse, add list. And here we see the list parsing. Let's open it, let's see it, and we see here some links. Let's Okay, so we do have there some links, and we will be like adding here more and more links. Okay. Next step, next action, we have to go to the next page, page number 2. So we have to increase our counter named page and add it to it 1. So increase counter. So we add to the first page another digit 1. So we'll get page number 2, and we'll put this value to the variable page. So we'll get page with the value 2. Okay, so and when here we have to compare with the last page. So we explored that the last page is about 900, yeah. But for our test purposes, I'll leave here the fifth page. But here you have to change digit 5 to the last page of your source website. And here we just check whether our current page is less than final page. If not, we are going further. If it's already equals to the last page, it will like be ended as an error here, and it will go to the here. But here it will be like going on a circle, like here, 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 until it gets error and we parsed all the pages. So let's compare. Yeah, our page is less than 5, and we're gonna go to the page with these numbers. So we put here the URL, page equals our current page, and this is a page number 2. So we'll go now to the page number 2 over here. Let's execute it. As you see here, now we are going to page number 2, and we do all the same actions. We again take the source, new source. We again take the links, and we put them on the list. Go to the list parsing, and as you see here, we already have 39, no, 40. This is a 0 row, so 40 links. Okay, and we can go like on a circle until we get error here. So let's imagine we got this error. So we got the last page, because it will take a lot of time to parse all these links. And next thing we're gonna do is to remove duplicates. So we choose this action, we choose the list named parsing, because by accident you can add here duplicates of links and we don't need them. And we choose here the action remove duplicates. Here's our list, yeah, and we remove duplicates. I suppose we don't have duplicates, so it's okay. And now we just parse this list one row by another, edit, this link, like prepare to the final view that we need, and we will put all these links to our spreadsheet named KinoFilms parsing. Now we have 99 rows over here, and we have 40 links here. So we're gonna put all these 40 links in our spreadsheet in database. How we can do that? So we get the first row with the list named parsing. We choose the action get row here first. Here the checkbox remove row after we take it. So we take the row from the list parsing and we remove it. So each iteration will have the one row less in this list. And we put this row in the temporary variable named ID stroker, and that's it. And it will be like going on a circle until it gets an error. That why it gets an error? Because the list person will get empty. Yeah, because we are deleting all the rows one by one while we like getting the link and putting it on our spreadsheet on database. So let's do this. Let's get the first row and remove it. Okay, done. And next action will be like here. We added this link, so we added this variable ID stroker, and we replace this syllables to these syllables. In some case, you can like get some link that is not valid. It has a redundant syllables, yeah, and you have to remove all the syllables in order to uh, prepare the link, and you'll be able to use that link without any errors in the future. So we just check whether the link has these syllables, and we have to replace to this. And here is the action replace, the source that we are replacing, we are getting from this variable ID stroker, and in this variable now we have the link. Let's find, click on the variables and find ID. Yeah, here we are working with this link right now, and we actually don't have any redundant syllables, so this action is redundant, but anyway, I will execute it just to be sure that everything is okay. And next action, we're gonna add the row to our spreadsheet. Check the connection, check the settings, it's okay, test connection, okay. And what we're gonna do, we have to execute this command in SQL language. So we're gonna insert into our spreadsheet named KinoFilms posting to the column post value our link. And now we have 99, refresh, 99 links. Let's execute it. And let's refresh it. See, we have 100 links, and we got back to this action, and we have one less row over here. So it will be like doing on a circle. Let's execute it until end. I will click on this button and it will like going on a circle, and like this. So it's working right now, and it will like taking all the links from list parsing and put it on our spreadsheet KinoFilms parsing. Okay, I think it's enough for this lesson. So in this lesson, you are right now you learned how to parse links from our source website. This is not our like final information that we need to post, but this is like temporary spreadsheet and we'll need it in the future. Next action will like clicking on each of this link and we'll be parsing the actual information that we will need. And let's check our spreadsheet. Let's refresh it. And we see here 139 rows. So everything is okay. Do you have any questions? If it's clear for you? And you hope creating the same part in your own template and to parse all the links to the pages with your content from your own website, source website. Okay, great. So let's finish this lesson and I will stop the record right now.